record it?
Yep, it's going. I'll tell Joe in the
Joey's about to jump in.
Is it recording?
Water. Come on, Joe, run across. You can do it.
When it breaks and you're stuck out there, it's gonna be funny.
Ready? Set.
Okay.
Go!
Ice running, ice boating, polar plunging. Here we go.
Woo!
All right, here we go. Full speed.
Go!
Super fast, super fast.
He's coming back. He's coming back.
Yeah! Woo! No problem, dude. Want to do it again? You slipped even.
Here, Joe.
Oh,
Dad, can you hold on to this?
What are you gonna do?
Should I try, Dad?
You're gonna no. What?
I'll just jump in if you give me.
No,
If
'cause
Joy, I'll give you.
we're not loaded up. Look at Duke breaking all the ice.
Joy, will you do it once we load up?
All right, that was good. Next time we come out, you can do it.
Here.
I want to get going.
I'm gonna take this off and give him a mic. That was cold.
You didn't even get wet. Imagine if you got fully.
Yes, I did. There's like an inch of water on the ice. Joy, you were running.